Hey, I was listening to this Andy Williams song, and he was singing a Christmas carol, and he was singing the part where he says, and the angel is saying, peace on earth, goodwill to men. And, I think that would be so wonderful if we could have that peace. And I have this little banner right here hanging out here, and I'm having to come out here every day and turn it back around because for some reason the wind or whatever keeps turning it. And that's just how I feel like it is when sometimes we do strive to have peace. It's like it keeps getting turned around. It keeps getting turned asunder, you might say. So I think sometimes, it's very hard to obtain and retain that peace. But I think you have to make the effort. You have to put out the peaceful thoughts, the loving thoughts, the kindness, whatever. You have to put this out there, and then maybe it's like a virus. Maybe that little peaceful virus can spread. Maybe when you hold back and you don't criticize somebody. Maybe when you don't jump on somebody that maybe needs to be jumped on. Maybe when you try to exude understanding or empathy, or maybe just hold your peace. Maybe it can spread that virus, you might say, of kindness and love, and maybe it will just take care of your one little tiny corner of the world. But when you put that out there, it'll come back to you. It will. I mean, bad stuff, don't get me wrong, it's going to happen to everybody sooner or later. It's just the way of the world, okay? But you can help diminish that a whole lot by remembering peace on earth starts with peace in your heart and making decisions that bring you that peace, decisions that are best for you. They usually end up feeling what's best too down the road, even if they don't feel best right away. So peace on earth, I wish you that. And when you take care of your little corner of the world, maybe that will, like a virus, spread to somebody else's corner. And maybe we'll have peace on earth. It's not going to happen. But it might. You never know. But we can try. We can, by golly, try. And if nothing else, we can help alleviate some trouble and some anxiety. We can help bring at least a balm to a wound. We can at least make this one day, this one moment better. And maybe that little virus will spread around the house, and pretty soon maybe you got something going. That's it for now.